Hi guys, today I'm going to be demoing a new GoPro app called Quik, Q-U-I-K, as you can see there. This is a new app that GoPro recently acquired along with Splice, as you see next to it. They're two video editing apps that they've brought in to help users build some incredible GoPro footage or videos using the GoPro footage. So I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough. I fell in love with it. I've made some very quick videos with music, with text. In let's say 10 to 15 minutes, I've taken 20, 30 different pieces of footage and combined it into one very cool video with sound and uploaded it to YouTube, all within less than, I would say, probably 10 minutes. So let me just walk you through quickly how this works and give you a quick tutorial. So we'll go ahead and load the Quik app here. As you can see here, it shows some of my current videos that I've had. I've made a few videos using this app already. There is a For You. This really just kind of takes a lot of the recent footage that you have, and it kind of allows you, hey, here's a quick start if I want to make a video. But we'll go ahead and we're going to create our own. And you have all your albums here. You can log into Facebook if you want and pull any media that you have there, and also drag in some video or some photos in there as well. However, I'm going to concentrate just on the albums here. So I'm going to go ahead and go into videos, and let's do the one that I made of Chicago. So here we'll just go ahead and select all of these pieces of footage here, and we'll click OK. So now what it's going to do, it's going to compile this, and it's going to create a video already. It just takes it all, and it goes to a beat that is preset. So as you can see here, it's kind of jumping around. This is preset to what you see there as Grammy. There is an action one, which has probably the similar tune, but it has a different effect. It doesn't have that kind of faded cinematic filter on top of it. But what it's doing is it's dancing to the beat. So as the beat shifts, it's going to change to a different part of that video. And there are just a ton of different filters that are pre-selected. So first of all, before we even dive into that, I want to make sure I have the right footage for me. So I'm going to go ahead and edit my footage. First, I'm going to take a look and just see, okay, well, is it in the right order that I want it to be? Was there something I took first that I want to have it towards the end? So you can kind of drag and drop these around, figure out the order that you want. This one here was actually first, me getting ready, me launching it on up, and then playing around with it. So let's just say we're good there. We got the order in place now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit this, find the clips that we want to really have emphasized here in the video. So this one's a 2-minute and 13-minute, or this is a 2-minute and 13-second long video. I probably don't need that whole thing. So a few options you see here is cut. So you can edit this clip. You can turn the sound on and off. Likely we're going to have music over it, so we're going to have the sound off. You can add some text to it. Let's put in just a little message here. Cool footage. Then we're also, let's say we want to duplicate it. We have some of that clip that we want to have multiple parts of it, but we don't want to get rid of the entire one, so we're going to duplicate it. So what that does is I'll go into this. It just duplicated it. I want the first part of it of me kind of getting it all set up and ready to go. And then I'm going to cut that. So it's going to crop that, trim and crop it. So you can see there's that 30-second clip there that's going to play with. But I still have that full clip over here. Now I'm going to edit this one because I want the last part of it. Getting it ready. So now I'm going to trim that as well. So now I've taken that 2-minute, 13-second long clip and I've combined it to a 30-second clip and a 31-second clip. So I shaved off about a little over a minute. Also, you're going to see there's going to be some that I'm like, I just want that whole, I just want to have that whole video or that whole clip in my video. So what you can do here is as you go into clip it, you're going to say play this clip without cuts, meaning that even if the beat is dancing around, it's going to play this clip all the way through. There also is the slow-mo feature that you guys saw. So there's a cool clip I have here of, I believe, yeah, coming down from the city. I'm going to shrink this up. And what I want to do is I want to play in slow-mo, and I want to see that full clip. So now it's gonna slow that down so you guys can really see it coming down. So there's a couple there. I think this is good for now. Let's just see how this comes out. We'll go ahead and select it. And it's going to start over here. And let's maybe pick a different, let's do dashing. See what this one has. So what it's doing now, it's just adding the song. It's taking all of your clips and consolidating it and getting it ready for, see as it shows there, the cool footage. That's the text that I put on in there. It's got the cool special effects. And again, it's dancing to the beat. If you recall, one of the first clips that I had was one I did want to see all the way through. You'll see here that it does play that clip all the way through. If you want to add more text throughout, you can do so, but it's basically taking the footage that, all the footage that you had. I probably had a good, 20, 25 minutes of it, and it's going to consolidate down to a 2-minute clip likely, just based on that beat. So now you kind of got to watch it all the way through. That's probably the most time consuming, just to make sure you don't have any footage that's like, well, that just looks stupid, or that doesn't really work. So as you can see, it's coming out pretty well. Some pretty cool effects. But now let's say you want to change a song. You can come in here. This is the music. You can have it start the music halfway through. Edit this as you wish. Then you can also change the music. So there's a few preset options here. Our selection for the style, some new songs. They're all very trendy type music. There's nothing that is it's very unique music. So you got more classical, more house type music. So there's nothing that's really going to stand out, and there's not a lot of options. I would say out of all of these, there's maybe the featured 20, 25 different tracks that you can choose from, or you can go into My Music and you can select some of the music from your actual device. Also, there's a few ways that you can upload other music from Box or Google Drive. So let's just say we want to use this one. We'll go ahead and select it. You can listen to the track or preview it if you want. Again, it's loading, and you're going to be able to preview it just like that. Matter of seconds, it loads, it creates the video. A few other things that are cool as well, is you can change the format. So let's say you're going to be posting this specifically to Instagram. You can change it to be more square. Or if you want the cinema that you're going to be using it for YouTube or a majority of your social media, you can leave it on cinema. Duration. You can set the time of this. So basically it's saying this video is going to go for 3 minutes and 24 seconds. What it will do is say it will cut for Instagram, meaning that Instagram only allows for 15 seconds. So it'll automatically cut the entire video into that 15-second time frame. But you can also set it, for YouTube, if you're just showing a quick little video of a travel or something, you're going to want to keep it to 2-3 minutes or something like that. So the other option that you can do too is if you go back here and you're choosing through some select themes. If you double tap on that, once you select it, it's going to come in. It's going to give you different font options. There are some different filters, as you can see here, to play with, different graphics, and you can select those as well. So once you feel like you have everything that you like, you're going to go ahead and save it. Now what it's going to do is it's going to prepare it for you to share or download. You can share it directly to Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, as you can see here, or your photo library. What I typically do is I download to my photo library, and then I upload it to YouTube directly. So let's just say I want to go ahead and share on Instagram. It's going to save it to the library in Instagram. If I want to share it save it to my library, it's going to take about probably take 2 minutes to save it to your library, but I don't want to do that at the moment. But that's what it's going to do, and it's going to be ready. We'll go ahead and click done. And once that goes through and updates it, we'll go ahead and come in here, and we're going to see, there it is, Quik. And here is the finished product. So there you have it, guys. That is how you use the Quik app. Thanks for watching. I'm glad I could show you guys a little bit about how to make quick and easy GoPro videos on the fly without having to get your computer out and use the GoPro Studio. This app is great. Like I just did, matter of minutes to create a very professional looking GoPro video. So I'll provide some links to more information, downloads in the description below. There's also a link here on this video to see the finished product of my first drone flight here in Chicago. Hopefully you enjoy that as well. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Also, I'll be providing you next time a demo and tutorial of the Splice app. Very similar type of app, editing GoPro videos. So I'll provide you guys that in a coming tutorial or video. But subscribe to my channel, stay up to date on my travels, as well as some of the cool products that I use throughout. If you guys, again, have any questions, drop me a line, I'll get back to you. And thanks for watching.